They tell you you know yeah. They tell you you know green. Edo State tell you you know yeah. They want you you know yeah. You say on a story. You say on a story. When the time is right, yeah. They not they tell the person. Tell the person, I say they not they tell the person. Yes, they not they tell the person when the time is right. Oshomole, this is the right time. This is the right time. They're not gonna tell you, useless man. You see how you have fooled yourself. You fooled yourself. You see, you disgrace yourself publicly. This is how you disgrace yourself, Oshomole. You think you are very wise. You are a wise man. Now, who is now the APC national chairman? Oshomole, are you the APC national chairman? No. Now I've come for you. Oshomole, you remember when they first took you to court, you've been taken to court. I think they suspended you during that period of time. You came to tell Nigerians that if they removed you as an APC national chairman, that you are going to tell Nigerians who is ruling them. Yes. Now you have been removed. Finally, Buhari does not recognize you as the APC national chairman. They don't recognize you. The Buhari you are working for, the caliphate you are working for, they have denied you. They have denied you. They have a new acting APC national chairman. They have removed you. You see how you have disgraced yourself. We are sending you back to the north. Go and meet the caliphate. Continue to work with them. You think you can sell your people? Continue to work with them. You have disgraced yourself. Oshomole, come and tell Nigerians who is ruling Nigeria. Oshomole, you must tell us. And I want to urge all Nigerians to ask Oshomole. You people should come on your platform. Whatever way you are going to ask Oshomole who is ruling Nigeria. Oshomole should tell us who is ruling Nigeria. We want to know, because that was what he said. That was what he said when they first took him to court. That was what he said. He said if they removed him from as a chairman of the APC, that he is going to tell Nigerians who is ruling Nigerians. And today you have been kicked out of the game. Oshomole, tell us who is ruling Nigeria. We want to know. We want to know who is ruling Nigeria. Come and tell us who is ruling Nigeria, Oshomole. Because if you don't tell us, life will never be well with you. Life will never be well with you. It shall never be well with you in the morning. It shall never be well with you in the afternoon. It shall never be well with you in the night. Tell us, Oshomole. We want to know who is. Nigeria should go and ask Oshomole who is ruling Nigeria. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that is not Buhari, that is not President Muhammadu Buhari sitting in Aso Rock. And Oshomole make a statement that if they removed him as an APC national chairman, that he is going to tell Nigerians who is ruling them. Nigerians, go and ask Oshomole. Don't keep quiet this time. This is not the time to shut up your mouth. This is the time for you to talk. This is the time for you to talk, and you must swing it to action. By asking Oshomole who is ruling Nigeria. That is my question for Oshomole. We are coming for you all. I'm coming for Bola Ahmed Tinubu.